Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fill the the cleaning detergent tank on your DREAME X30 Ultra. As you can see, right here is the door to where the dust bag as well as the cleaning solution tank is located. Use the handle at the bottom to open it. As you can see, this is what the handle looks like. Now you will see the dust bag right here, and on the left side you can use the handle to remove the cleaning detergent tank. Now you can open this door at the top and fill it in with the cleaning solution. Make sure that the solution that you're using is recommended and provided by DREAME or an authorized reseller. Just basically the DREAME branded one, because some like random grocery store cleaning detergents may cause damage to the robot or mold or anything you don't want. So make sure you're using something that you can trust. Then put it back in, close this door by attaching the top first. Sorry, I'm doing it upside down. Attach the top first, then the bottom until it clicks, and it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.